Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of introducing you to this beautiful Volkswagen California. So this is a factory built version by Volkswagen. So this is the real McCoy. Registration is Kilo November 20 Whisker Lima Whiskey. As you can see, it's finished in white. Being an Ocean, is absolutely spec to the maximum. It's got some very rare options as well, which I'll show you later. Firstly, let's show you the electric roof. So this roof goes all the way up by a push of a button and closes as well. This is exactly the same way. So we're just pushing that button inside now. And as you can see, the roof is raising. This makes lowering and raising the roof a lot easier. Also, while we're here, you can also notice at the front we've got LED lights. We also have front fog lights as well. So as you can see, it's a beautiful grey roof. Absolutely fantastic condition, no rips or tears whatsoever. So let's walk you around. So starting from the front, as I said, you can see the LED lights. You can also see the front fog lights. And we also have front parking sensors there as well. 17-inch alloy wheels on this California as well, which we can see there, completely unmarked. So the vehicle is currently set up into what we refer to as day mode. So we've got our awning out, seat, table and chairs are out as well. That table in fact folds away inside the sliding door, as do the chairs fold away inside the tailgate. I'll show you that shortly. So as I said, the awning is out. While we're looking there at the table and chairs, I must say they're really comfortable, extremely sturdy build as well. So let's take a look inside. First thing we notice, it's got the nicer flooring fitted there as well, wood effect. It's in absolutely fantastic condition and has been extremely well cared for. So you can see we've got captain seats here as well. Currently turn around. Table is out inside as well. I can show you here, we've got a really nice deep fridge, twin gas hob burner, and we also got water with a sink as well. I'm just going to walk around this side a minute to show you the perspective from this side. And I'm also going to just quickly show you the tap operating, as you can see there. And we can easily close this away by just pushing down the glass tops. And shut the fridge as well. And then you can see our beautiful view here at Rayland Car Sales. Just show you that roof from inside as well. Got zip out windows as well on it. As I said, completely immaculate condition. Again, look at those seats there. Again, extremely well cared for. I'll show you the front cab controls later in the video. Just going to walk you around now the rest of the vehicle while we get this all set up for sleeping. So just before we do that, I'll just show you here. We'll see this later in the video. Got a comfort mattress here as well. Again, a very rare option. And I also have a shower as well, which I'll just show you operational there. Again, a really nice, rare option. Just flick that off a second. I've got one other rare option to show you as well, which I'll just show you while I don't forget. This vehicle also has on board, I've only ever seen it twice. So here, in there, we have a safe. So we can put all our belongings safely away in there and then be locked away. Again, this is all factory options. There's nothing on this vehicle that is aftermarket. While we're to the rear here, we'll also see it's also got a tow bar fitted. Again, this is great for towing a small trailer, or if we wanted to put a bike rack or something on there as well. We've got parking sensors to the rear as well. And up here, reverse camera. Again, I'll show you that later in the video. So looking down this side here, absolutely fabulous condition again. There's Ocean decals here. We've got our 240 volt socket there for when we're on camp. And we can also lock our water away safely. Again, completely unmarked wheel there. No scratches or dents or anything visible down the side of here at all. Just show you that roof again. No rips, snags or tears whatsoever. Just show you the front passenger wheel as well. So I do believe we're all set up now for sleeping. So let's take a look inside. So we have it, we've got our blinds down. Bed's all set up extremely quickly and easy to do. Again, the comfort mattress there. So up on the top here, just pull the bed down and you can see we've got a mattress up here as well. We've also got a netting here as well, which we can set up across the front of the bed area. We also have here the comfort springs as well. So this makes sleeping really nice and comfortable. We just push it up on gas struts, really nice and easy to do. Got lighting up here as well as a 12-volt socket. Great for charging or anything. So let's take a look to the front of the cab. So start up the van. So you can hear a warning beep there, just to let us know, should I just show you there, that we've got our pop roof open, not to drive it. So you can see we've got no warning lights whatsoever. Have driven the van myself, drives absolutely superb. So starting with the steering wheel here, we have cruise control. This is also adaptive cruise as well, a lovely feature to have. Hands-free calls can be made from this vehicle as well. Got electric windows, electric folding mirrors, they're also heated. We have also lights. We've got the beautiful infotainment system here as well. Also, I didn't mention this is a complete digital dash on this vehicle as well. So you can see there's no analog dials here, all digital. Really nice and easy to use. All important auto box. We've got air conditioning. We also have heated front seats. As you can see here, 3 stages. We also have, so I'll just show you one here. We're going to show you there our reverse camera. Just select reverse to show you. There we go, reverse is engaged. We also have park distance control on here as well. We've got satellite navigation. We also can connect various media devices as well. And we also got digital radio as well. And on board we also have digital touchscreen onboard management system. So we can operate things like our pop roof, which we saw operating earlier. We can also use our auxiliary heater here, turn our fridge on. We've got our alarm clock, which we can set for a sunrise setting. Again, another one of my favourite features. While we're here as well, just peeking around, we've also got 2 40-volt sockets there as well, USB, and also another feature, all important on this vehicle. So as we've got 2 keys, we've got our lockable keys here for our water tank, and this little key here, we just push the button and we can turn our heater on board when we're outside the vehicle. Again, a lovely little feature. I'll just show you the miles there. It's only covered 23,706 miles. That's 23,706. You also may have noticed a little AA sign here as well. That's because we're proud to say we're an AA Dealer Promise dealer. And that means for yourself that it comes with a 12-month AA breakdown cover as well. Completely free of charge. So if you'd like to purchase this California, please feel free, give us a call, 01460 312923. That's 01460 312923. I'd be quick on this one due to the pricing. Very competitively priced. As I said, feel free, give us a call to make a viewing or of course purchase. I hope you enjoyed watching our video. We'll speak to you soon.